Habadon ya ke jengmut ke baskem. Omdon balak ban kanglat ban penpau ya ke sap ke pong ke begidon. Wala ke kam ke te kat nuru. Kani ko kubor dengan ke janmiet ke desya pang ke sap jong ke wei ke samla. Ke bawat la ke ladon la ke kam ke jam ke babiang ban kamai. Rengkat ki kam yieng ki ba ke hab ban pendap. Hendrai ke sap jong ka kalapau lang ba ki kor ki bor kani ke jog internet ke Mynta. Da ke ba penpau ki kam ban nikti jong ka. Ban shna ya ki da ke babate ke por hadian ki kam ki jam baro. Tong ina kemi shipor ya kani ke kubor. Haka shnong nong kriem nong tamai shalong upisian ularung hiyeng jengkong DANCY nong klau bad u tan kuma rengsi u bala klat no bani kendu ka khon balai ni saumut ki khon kan thei jong ni long yeng ka samla Evangeline rengsi. Mari rong haka kamra shongkai haka ni yeng la saki ki kam ban nikti jong ka samla Evangeline ban shna ba dropen wandur ki dor ki babon jaj daga ba Pyndonkam dagi bitor ki bala kentaj pat ki pliang kentup iki wei digi jingdan kam ha ka ba ai rong ai rup. Kasamla Evangeline ke digenohikai St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, nrai ke shnai ke digitiar tang hakapor bakala pendep ki kam ki jam. Kentup ki kam yeng, dag babentai kapor ban shnai ke digitiar ka bakas ngau tenat ban pelet jingmut.
Naduk menchua hing a don kanika interest in art tang ba hablik trei kumtung am jo yo porken te menta pad padon kanika lockdown, though it has been quite difficult for many of us, but still then I think it has also given us time can bangin pursue kiniki personal interests, kiniki hobbies te kanika hobby jonga ban shna kiniki decorative items ngasngo ba kane kadeka it's like a family trait kan hon ipa jonga ro iche don furniture workshop manchwa and ki bhayeng jonga ro many ki anang ban paint ki anang ban like artwork kumto te kane I think it has passed down from my family.
Kitiar ki bakane ke samla ke snotenat panchna ba dropen wandur ki bakhambon hi ki dei ha ki bitor bat ki ganja pliang ne peres ha ka ba dropen wandur ki dor ki babon jat bat donru ki bakashumut dor hi ya ki ne ki dor ki babon ne ki kitiar ki dei ru tang ban bokai ha ki yeng kam tam ha ki kamra shongkai bat panchna bat droi ki dor ka shemporeka kombaar hado saus ni kawei.
You know, it's an interest of mine, so even if I don't have so much time for it, like actually when it's a hobby, when you do something that you are passionate about, you always make time for it. So I think that even after I go back to work, after we have regular classes, then I can always make time for it. And since I believe since it's a great passion of mine, artwork, craft work, I think I will continue with it. Actually, I think bangaday I used to be a student of literature and mentaru bangahikai literature. I think all that is incorporated into my work and ngashay pedro kiniki paintings ken artwork on ngashay Google ngashay haki YouTube kumto. Based on that shna ken I take my inspiration from that kind of art. But then of course since I'm not a professional artist, I have to kind of find ways and means to make up for that. I try to also put in some originality in it, to put in some of my own personality. So yes, that's it.
Haka basdang kasamla Evangeline kashnai kini tiar bokai tangkum ke jing sngut tenat jongka. Ban chubo tensat ka yaki hapo Iing la jong. Henrekat nang yat ki snipat habagi don ki bi niki kam jongka. Kila don ki bapan thiet bat kum bakalong mentapat. Da ka Pyndonkam da ka board jing start internet ke juk menta. Ka penpau perthai ka ne ka sap jongka leng ba ka Facebook bat ke Instagram leng ba ka kerteng DANCY Creations.
Yes, actually kasdang kum ka hobby tang kum to my friends and relatives, they encourage me to show them around, and there were some who wanted to even buy them. So that actually has prompted me to make more and to try to improve on them so that I can market them as well, so that you can say it's like an additional income for me as well, which has proved very helpful. So far te mentang pha sha Nagaland sha Manipur badon ki parlok, but sha Mizoram baro badon ki bhaiye. And I'm also like advertising them on Instagram and Facebook. The kikwa kibriu ki one order yang ikan ki one contact on social media. I think actually we those of us who live in today's world, we are very, very fortunate, because despite facing all these difficulties that we are facing at the moment, yet I think because of this technology which is at our fingertips, like whatever little skills you have, whatever little the hobbies that you have, you can always improve on them, because you have YouTube, you have Google, where you can learn on your own. It's not necessary that you go for a professional course or a degree, but then even from home, by going through these through social media, anything, whatever interest you have, you can always improve on them. And even marketing them is relatively easier today, because even in my case, despite this lockdown, because of Instagram, Facebook and other such means, I'm able to market them. So I think that is something very positive about today's world.